Well, good afternoon. This is the Friday afternoon update here at City Hall, and I'm happy to report we hadn't had any new cases of the COVID virus in the last few days. So, looks like Joe Pruitt has sent me an update here, and we have had a total of 34 cases. Only one is hospitalized, and only 4 are still quarantined. So that means that 29 have fully recovered. So we're really happy about that. Of course, big news this week is our retail establishments and our restaurants have now been allowed to open up with some restrictions for indoor dining, and we're really excited about that. But with all that, there comes some risk, and today I want to talk a little bit about that. And the more people are out interacting with each other, the more chances this virus has to be transmitted from one person to the other, which is how it happens. So I just want to encourage everybody to please wear a mask when you're out in a public area. And I know a lot of people don't like to wear the mask. They don't like people telling them to wear the mask or whatever, but I look at it a little differently. Most of you know I'm a car person, and I look at a mask as about like wearing a seatbelt. None of us hop in that car and think that we're going to be in an accident today or this evening or tomorrow. But we put that belt on just to be a little safer in the event something unfortunate happens. And that's what I think when I think about wearing a mask, is that people can transmit this disease and not even know they're doing so because they don't have symptoms. And so the last thing that I think any of us would want to do is maybe have the symptoms, maybe have the virus, but not know it and transmit that to a family member, a friend, or a coworker. So wearing the mask is just another line of defense for us to make sure that you are not you don't get transmitted the disease, or the virus doesn't transmit from you unknowingly to somebody else. So just wear a mask when you're out in public if you can. I know people say, well, I can't wear a mask inside a restaurant. Well, you can wear a mask until you're seated and safely seated, 6 feet away from someone. So I would do that, and I think if we do that, we'll continue to have a low count here in Bardstown and Nelson County, and that's what we're all here about, trying to take care of each other. With that being said, also, last Friday, the drive-through testing site at Walmart opened, and it's open to anybody. So you can just make go online and submit the application, answer the few questions, and you'll get a voucher. You print the voucher, and you set your appointment, and go out to Walmart Monday, Wednesdays, or Fridays from 7 to 9 to be tested. I personally took the test this past Wednesday. The test doesn't take but about 3 to 5 minutes. The only thing that is a delay is what place you are in line. So I was number 8 in the line when I got there, and so it took probably about 30 minutes for me to get processed up to when I took the actual test. But the test is not bad. It goes very easy. And again, the more testing we do, the more we can find out if somebody has the virus who does not have the symptoms, and we can control the spread with more testing. So take advantage of that at Walmart. I really encourage you to do it, and it's not too bad. The last thing I want to talk about is, of course, today is Memorial Day weekend, the start of the weekend. And, we have this holiday. This is our first major holiday since the coronavirus outbreak. And we have this holiday in order to remember those men and women of our armed forces who made the ultimate sacrifice on our behalf for our freedom that we enjoy here in the United States. And we all know that the United States is the greatest country in the world. So let's think about why we're celebrating Memorial Day holiday, and that is to honor those people who did so much for us. And just be safe out there. We're going to have more people getting together, but follow the guidelines and be safe, and we'll be able to enjoy this holiday weekend and all those coming down the road. Thank you, and have a good weekend.